Hi students, we have completed the book back exercise in lesson 10. Now we are going to learn about the grammar. Okay, grammar book, take your grammar book, grammar junction. Okay, now take page number 83. In the previous class we learned about punctuation marks, right? What are the punctuation marks we learned in this in that previous video? Yes, comma, then apostrophe where we want to use. Yes, if did not is there means didn't. For changing the word into short form we will use apostrophe. Then second one what we have learned, exclamation mark. When we when we are going to express our feeling we use exclamation mark. Yes, if it is sad or good mood we want to use exclamation mark. Yes, surprise, for the surprise also we will use that. Okay, next what we learn, question mark. Third one we learn question mark. Where we want to use question mark? When we are asking question, at that time we want to use question mark. And last one what we have learned in the previous class? Yes, comma. There are 4 uses we learned, right? What is the first use? In the list of a sentence. Okay, I have pen, pencil, rubber, like that. In the list of the sentence we want to use comma. And second thing what we have learned? Yes, contrasting ideas. Contrasting ideas means 2 different ideas. I like coffee but I didn't like tea. So there is 2 different ideas. For that 2 different ideas we will use comma. And the third use what we can learn, yes, that is the uses. What is the uses? Yes, addressing the people. Addressing the people means when you are saying about one person, okay, we will use comma. This is the third thing. First for the list we use comma, and second for the addressing people we will use comma, and third for the contrasting ideas we will use comma. Yes, that is we learn in the last class. Now one more point, 2 more point about comma we are going to learn. Okay, let me see. Now take your book, page number 83. In the previous grade you have learned about punctuation and how to use punctuation marks such as capital letters, full stop, exclamation mark and question mark. Yes, see capital letter. What is meant by capital letter? We know, right? A should be like this. Yes, B should be like this. When the starting of the sentence we want to use capital letter. And next one, see full stop. What is meant by full stop? At the end of the sentence we will use full stop. Next, exclamation mark. Exclamation mark we know. Yes, we will use, when we will use the exclamation mark? Yes, to express our feeling. Then next one, question mark. What is meant by question mark? When we are asking question we use question mark. This is the thing we learned in the previous grade. Okay, now rewrite each sentence with correct punctuation marks. Okay, first one, can you come here? See, first one, can. First, when the starting of the sentence, first letter should be capital. So, C should be in capital, then can. Okay, can you here, sorry, can you come here? See, can you come here? This is a question. Okay, next one. I am going to New Delhi. See, second one. In the previous class things we are revising now. Okay, previous grade thing. Yes, I am. See, I is given a small letter. First, in the beginning of the sentence we want to use capital letter. Okay, so I am going to New Delhi. When the state, okay, when the state or the sun, river, universal thing which is having one, we want to use capital letter at the beginning. So, New Delhi. Like this you want to write. New Delhi. After that this sentence is over. So, we want to use full stop. Okay, next third one. Hooray. See, hooray. First letter should be capital. And it is expressing the feeling. So, we want to use exclamation mark. Then after that we want to use capital letter. Hooray, we are going on a picnic. After that we want to give full stop. Okay. Next, fourth one. What a beautiful day. What? W should be capital. What a beautiful day. See, this is expressing the feeling. So, we want to use exclamation mark. Next, fifth one. When are you going to Manali? When? W already, that W is in capital. When are you going to Manali? Place should be capital, starting letter, okay. M should be in capital, then it is a question. So, you want to ask question mark. Okay, now let me move to the next one. See, comma, we want to use in the list of a sentence. Already we learned. See, that blue box, the punctuation mark which is used to separate words in a list is called comma. Okay, when we are using comma, this is comma, okay, this is comma. When we want to use this comma? Yes, in the list of a sentence. See, next page, he has a book, pencil, eraser, like this we want to use comma. See the next one, we may have seen commas being used in poems. In the poem, okay, in the poem also we want to use comma. Where we want to use? If there is no list also we can use comma. Where? In the past. What is meant by past? See, past. What is meant by past? In the radio we will use past. In the TV we will use past. Yes, this symbol is like this, I think so, right? Yes. Past means கொஞ்ச நேரம் நிப்பாட்டி அடுத்தது ஆரம்பிக்கிறது. Okay, pass, நிப்பாட்டுறது. So, see here, Jack fell down. So, I am stopping, I am pausing here. Then, and broke his crown. Yes. So, see here, that in the past thing we want to use comma. See, Johnny. So, there is little pause is there. So, at that place you want to use comma. See, yes, Papa. Yes. So, after that comma, then Papa. In the last class we learn yes or no. Answer we should use comma. Yes, this is that. Okay, next one. Second Roman letter. Read the sentences in the boxes. Color the boxes green if the punctuation is correct. If the punctuation is correct, you want to color with what color? Yes, color the box with green. Correct na green color. Then red if they are incorrect. Incorrect irundana red color use pannu. Okay, first one. Please get apples, comma, eggs and bananas from the market. Is it correct or wrong? Correct. Yes. So, we want to use green color. So, you want to put the crayons in this page. Okay. Whether it is right means you want to use green, wrong means you want to use red. Next, Shruti went to school with Soumya, Aman and Nandita. See, list of sentences, list of name is there, but there is no comma. So, it is wrong sentence. So, we want to use red color. Okay, like this you want to do other things also. Shall I give it as a homework? Yes. Remaining thing is your homework. We can discuss in the online class. Okay, next one. Add commas where required to the sentences given below. This also first two I am going to do. Remaining is your homework. See, Ritu, Richa and Suganya. See, three names are there. So, after Ritu, see Ritu. Ritu you want to put comma. Next Richa and is there, so no problem. Next second one. He has a blue, a green and a red handkerchief. See, he has a blue. Then we want to put comma. After that a green after and is there, so that is no problem. Okay. Yes. So, remaining this thing is your homework. Next, add punctuation to this paragraph. Okay, now add punctuation to this paragraph. See, Ananya is one of the untidiest people I know. See, one sentence is over. So, after that no, you want to put full stop. Okay, next one. After the full stop, we should start with capital letters. So, capital. See, she always wears t-shirt and jeans. See, jeans is there. After the jeans, you want to put full stop because one sentence is over. So, then starting means we want to use capital letter. Her, H should be in capital. Her jeans are usually dirty and sometimes also have holes in them. See, them, the sentence is over. So, after that them, you want to put full stop. Okay, and then beginning of the sentence, H, capital, hair. Okay, her hair is always tied up in a ponytail. There is one pass. So, after the ponytail, we now only learn, right? See, pass. If there is pass means we want to use comma. And she is often seen scratching her head. See, one sentence is over. After the head, one sentence is over. So, you want to put full stop. Then beginning of the sentence, we want to use capital letter. She usually sits at the back of the class and often falls asleep in the middle of the classes. See, classes, the sentence is over. So, after the classes, you want to put full stop. Okay, next, starting of the sentence, it should be in capital letter. So, but, be in capital. When exam results are declared, after that declared, there is one pass. So, we want to use the comma. She always gets an A grade. One sentence is over. So, after the grade, you want to put full stop. Okay, then as usual, first letter should be capital. She might be untidy and lazy. See, lazy. After that, one pass is there. So, we want to use comma. But she is very. See, that two contrasting ideas are there. She might be untidy and lazy. Ava chomberiya irundhalum seri, alukanavala irundhalum seri, but she is very intelligent. Ana ava romba buddhisali. So, different, contrasting two ideas. So, after lazy, you want to put comma. After the intelligent, end of the paragraph or end of the sentence, you want to put full stop. Okay, students, I give homework in this topic is, yes, second Roman letter, that C, D, E, F, G, H. You just going to color. Then in page number 85, third Roman letter, C to H. And now we are going to learn the new topic, can and cannot. Can and cannot, 13th topic. See, take page number 62. Yes, in chapter 12, which means in the previous chapter, what we have learned, may and can. What is the difference between may and can? May we will use officially, okay? Where we can use to the teacher, yes, correspondent, principal, officer, policeman. Like this we will officially we can use may. Can is used to relatives, friends, neighbors. Yes, like this we can use the can. Yes, see, in chapter 12, we learned how to use can to ask for permission. For the permission, for asking permission, how we want to use can, we can learn, right? Yes. Now see, first one, first Roman letter. Identify the statement that use can to ask for permission by putting a tick mark against them. Okay, see, we want to put the tick mark. Can I borrow your green pencil? Is this sentence is correct means we want to put correct. Okay, see, can I borrow your green pencil? Is this correct? Yes. So, question mark also there. So, first one is correct. So, you want to put tick. Next one. I can eat 4 mangoes in one go. See, ஒரு கோல ஒரு ஸ்டார்ட்ல நான் என்ன செஞ்சிருவேன் 4 மேங்கோ ஒரே நேரத்துல சாப்பிட்டுருவேன். So it is not can. We learn as permission only can is used, right? Yes, see, so it is wrong. There is no question mark, so it is wrong. Next, third one. Can you help me with your homework? Can you help me with your homework? See, for homework we will asking help, so it is wrong. Help your homework means you are show your homework to me. That is wrong, right? Yes, next. Satish can run faster than anyone else. See, it is comparing two things. So, we learn about asking permission only. So, it is also wrong. Next, fifth one. Can you breathe? Unnala moochodu mudiyuma? So, it is also wrong. Okay? See, look at the sentence you have not marked with a tick. Okay? A is we put the tick. These sentence also use the word can but for a different purpose. Which means, see the blue box. The helping verb can is also used to express ability. Ability means என்னால முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கும் நம்ம can வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Okay, என்னால முடியும். I can do this. Okay, so for this we want to use can. What is the first thing? Ability. For I can do this. Okay, for the ability we are able to use can. It expresses that a doer of the action, which means main verb in the sentence is capable of performing the action. The main verb, okay, main verb is able to main verb வந்து அந்த ஆக்ஷனை வந்து அந்த doer-ஆல, which means the subject able to do means we are able to use can. Okay, see, let us look at the example. I can eat 5 bananas. See, I can eat. I can eat 5 bananas. I can eat 5 bananas. See, which is the verb here? What is mean by verb? It is an action. Okay, action. ஏதாவது ஒரு வேலை. See, verb. It is verb. We know it is verb. Okay, it is verb. See, I can eat 5 bananas. The verb-க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன செய்யலாம் நம்ம? Can use பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, so it is main verb. Why it is main verb? See, there is no other verb is there. It is the main thing. If it is, are, were, was means that is auxiliary. Right? So, அது வந்து helping verb. அது வந்து கூட கொஞ்சம் help பண்ற மாதிரி verb. இங்க பாரு, ஆனா it is eat. It is the main verb. முக்கியமான verb. Okay, main. இதான் முக்கியம். இந்த verb வச்சு தான் எழுத முடியும். So, it is main verb is if there is main verb means before that we are able to use can. Can is the auxiliary verb, we all know, right? Yes. So, eat is the main verb here. So, we are before that we can use can. See all those things. Go. Go is the main verb. So, before that we are able to use can. Lift. Lift is the main verb. So, we can use can. Do is the main verb. So, we can use can. See, in each of these sentences, can is the helping verb. See, this is act as the helping verb of the main verb. Okay, helping verb that is used along with the main verb in bold. Okay, helping verb na enaduna in the main verb ku help panni varradhu. Okay va, help panni vandaduna idu helping verb. See, so can is the helping verb, it is the main verb here. Before the main verb of the sentence already I told. Okay, next one. Second Roman letter. Read the sentences given below. Write P against the sentence that use can to ask for permission. See, for the permission we want to use P. Okay, permission. Permission already we learned, right? Yes, for the cousin. Yes, or relation. For that we want to use permission. Ask permission we can use can. So, for that we want to put P and or against the ones that make request. நம்ம ஒரு request கேட்கும். Okay வா, request கேட்கும் அப்படின்னா, so we want to put or. Okay, for the request we want to put or and A against those that express ability. Ability na என்னால முடியும். என்னால முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு A போடணும். Permission, or permission கேட்குற மாதிரி கேட்டால், ரிலேஷன்ட்ட கேட்டால் we want to use P. Then request. Request means we can ask request, right? So please அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நம்ம ரெக்வெஸ்ட் கேட்கும்போது ஆர் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், Raymond can fly a plane. See, அவனால என்ன செய்ய முடியும்? பிளேன்ல பறக்க முடியும். அவனால முடியும். இட் இஸ் எபிலிட்டி. என்னால முடியும். I can do this. So it is ability. So we want to put first one A. Second one, can you please buy me these biscuits? Please. Please இதில் எதில் வரும்? Request. So we want to put R. Next, third one, dogs can be wonderful friends. Dogs வந்து எப்போவுமே என்னது? ஒரு நல்ல ஃப்ரெண்டாக இருக்கும். So it is ability. Yes, it is a good friend, right? Yes, so ability. Then, can you climb a tree? உன்னால இந்த ட்ரீ என்ன செய்ய முடியுமா? கிளைம் பண்ணி தர முடியுமா? So it is ability. Okay, next one, can I leave an hour early today? Here is permission is asking. See, நான் இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் சீக்கிரமாகவே கிளாஸை முடிச்சுட்டு போட்டா, இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் சீக்கிரமாக வெளியே போட்டா, ஒரு மணி நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி வெளியே நான் லீவ் பண்ணட்டா அந்த இடத்த விட்டு அப்படின்னு கேட்குறது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் permission. For that we want to put P. Next, sixth one, Santoshi can paint very well. So it is ability. அவனால நல்லா பெயிண்ட் பண்ண முடியும். ability. Okay, ability means I can do. என்னால முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு ability. Permissionனா please. Okay, sorry, permissionனா asking permission. Okay, see next one, request. Request means please. Okay, next one, adding not after can tells us that the subject cannot perform the action referred to by the main verb. See, cannot is written as a single word. Already we learned in the punctuation, right? Yes, did not is there means didn't. Do not means don't. Then cannot means can't. Okay, so see here, single word can't. Okay, I can run fast. I have the ability to run fast. See, it is ability. நான் வந்து என்னால் ஸ்பீடாக ஓட முடியும். It is my ability. என்னால் முடியும். Okay, see, let us look up a few more examples. Samir can fly a kite. சமீருக்கு என்ன செய்ய முடியும்? அந்த பிளேனை கைட்டை வந்து ஓட்ட முடியும். கைட்டை வந்து பறக்க விட முடியும். கைட்டை ஃப்ளை பண்ண வைக்க முடியும். See, next one, that is the negative sentence. What is the negative sentence? Samir cannot fly a kite. Okay, next one, all these are like this. We want to use if short form means, what is the cannot short form? Yes, short form of cannot means can't. Okay, so in all these sentences, can in the sentence on the left tells us that the subject can perform the action indicated by the main verb. See, main verb, before that main verb the can is used. Already we learned before the main verb the helping verb of can is used. Adding not or int to take page number 64, to can tell us the exact opposite, which means it is the opposite. See, can means it is in negative, it is the positive sentence, right? Positive word. If it is cannot, can't, this is yes negative, opposite. முடியும் அப்படினா அது positive, முடியாது அப்படினா அது negative. So see here, can it is a positive and cannot, can't it is negative. So it is the opposite. Yes, yes, opposite. The subjects do not have the ability to perform the action indicated by the main verb. இந்த சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு இதை பண்ண முடியாது அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம்? cannot யூஸ் பண்ணி எழுதுவோம். See, here all positive sentences given. You want to change it into negative. Okay, see first one. Superman can fly. So how we can change into negative? Yes, Superman cannot fly. So we want to strike out the can. Strike out the can. Then you want to write cannot. Superman cannot fly. Okay, like this we want to fill the remaining things. Okay, next one. See, this is your homework, B, C, D, E. Just you are going to strike out the can, then you are going to write the cannot. It is very easy. Then next one. Now read the following sentences. Sneha, can you help me finish my maths homework? Jiten asked politely. See, politely. Politely means help. Jitin is asking a help to Sneha. A max homework பண்றதுக்கு நீ கொஞ்சம் எனக்கு help பண்ணுவியா? So here help, already we learn about ability, requires, permission. Yes, it is help. See, can is also used to make request. Yes, already we learned request. Yes, request also, help also same. Okay, request na please பண்ணி கேக்குறது, help na அடுத்தவங்ககிட்ட please பண்ணி help கேக்குறது. So same. The structure of such sentence is can plus you plus main verb. Main verb. In short form we can say MV, right? Yes. So can, you, main verb. This is the structure of, yes, this is the structure of request. Already we learned first one is ability, right? Ability means I can do this. This is ability. And second one is permission. Already we learned in the last topic, right? Yes, permission. Permission means it is asking permission. Then next one is request. Request means this. Okay, this is the structure of request. Yes, see, can you help me clean my room? Yeah, room clean பண்றதுக்கு help பண்றியா? Can you share book? Share your book with me. See, can. Can is used here. Then you is used here. Main verb. In the first sentence, what is the main verb? Help. Second sentence, share. Third one, tell. Fourth one, switch off, right? Yes. So these are the, please like this, these are the main verb given here. See, next fourth Roman letter. Read the sentences given below. Write next to each sentence whether it is a request or ability. If it is a request means you want to write request. Request na theriyum, please பண்ணி கேக்குறது. If it is a ability, என்னால முடியும் அப்படினா நீ ability னு எழுதணும். Okay, first two I am going to do, remaining is your homework. Okay, so first one, can you pass me the pen? Can you pass me the pen? அந்த pen அப்படி கொஞ்சம் pass பண்ணி விடுதியா? So it is request. So first one is request. In the dash, in the fill up, you want to write request. And second one, Rashmi can run very fast. அவளால சரியான ஸ்பீட்ல ஓட முடியும், அவளால முடியும். So it is ability. Okay, remaining thing like this, you want to read the sentence and find the things. It is ability or request. Okay, it is easy, so it is your homework. Next one, complete the sentences given below by choosing the correct phrase from the box. From the box you want to fill this. First two I am going to do, remaining three is your homework. Yes, first one, dash you dash me at 11:30 a.m. What we can come here? Yes, can you call me? Can in the first dash and the next dash, call me. Yes, second one, I dash dash my homework myself. I can do my, என்னால இந்த homework என்ன செய்ய முடியும், பண்ண முடியும். Okay, remaining three is your homework. Next one, read each of the sentences given below. Identify the sentences that convey ability and rewrite them after adding not. Which means you want to read the sentence carefully. If it is the ability sentence, அதாவது ability sentence இருந்தால், என்னால முடியும் அப்படிங்கிற சென்டென்ஸா இருந்தால் மட்டும் you want to change it into negative sentence. Okay, otherwise if it is a permission sentence, request sentence means you don't do anything. Okay, this is this Roman letter. See first one, Suganya can make jewelry. Suganyaவுக்கு புது புது jewels செய்ய தெரியும். So what is the negative sentence? What is the opposite for this? Yes, Suganya cannot. So you want to first one strike out the can, then you want to write cannot. Positive இருந்தது, second negative ஆயிட்டா. So இப்போ what is the meaning for this line? Suganya cannot make jewelry. அவளுக்கு jewelry make பண்ண தெரியாது. Okay, next one, Yatis asked Sudhindra, can you bring me some food? See, asked Sudhindra, can you bring me some food? So it is a request. Yes, it is a request. Request பண்ணி கேட்க, எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் சாப்பாடு எடுத்துட்டு வர முடியுமா? It is a request. So what is the topic? What is the heading here? What is the exercise here? If it is a ability means only you want to change into negative. This is not ability, it is a, yes, what it is? It is a request. So you don't do anything in this sentence. The sentence la eduvume enna seiyakudadu panna kudadu appadiye vechirணும். Okay, so don't do anything. Next, okay, remaining 4 shall I give it as a homework? Okay, we will check in the discuss in the online class, right? Yes, remaining is your homework. Next one, 7th Roman letter. Make request using can for the following situation. One is done for you. See first one. You want your dad to buy you a basketball. See, dad, after that you want to put comma. Can you buy me a basketball? See, asking question. What is the request? Request using can for the following situation. Request கேட்குற மாதிரி அந்த சென்டென்ஸை மாற்றணும். Okay, see the first one. You want your dad to buy you a basketball. See this line, you want to change this line into a request. Okay, see, dad, can you buy me a basketball? See, this is a request. Next one, you need to borrow some crayons from your friend. How we can change it into request? Yes, can I borrow some crayons? Can I borrow some crayons? Next one, you need your friend to help you with a project. See, how we can change into request? Can you help me with a project? Can you help me with a project? Next one, you want your mother to teach you how to ride a bicycle. Mother, can you teach me how to ride a bicycle? Yes, this is the request sentence. Okay, next one, you want your grandmother to make a special dish for you. Okay, grandmother, can you make a special dish for me? Okay students, you all clear about this, right? Yes, how we want to change into request. You should copy it in your book. Okay, next, see the 8th Roman letter. Write sentences about 5 things. Here given 5 things, I give you only 2 things. Okay, you want to write 2 more lines. See the example can. I can ride a bicycle. Can means I am able to do. What are the things you are able to do? You can write in can. Okay, cannot. What you are not able to do, you can write in cannot. Okay, see, I can ride a bicycle. I can drive a car. Like this, whatever you know, whatever you don't know, you can write here. 2 points for each. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, and okay students, now what are all homeworks I have given you? Yes, page number 64, the 3rd Roman letter. Next is 65, that 4th and 5th Roman letter, and 6th remaining, and 8th Roman letter. These are very easy. You want to just cut down the can and change into cannot, like that only you are going to do. So that I am giving one more homework. Learn and write the detail and antonyms. Okay, detail and antonyms in lesson 10. Yes, this is your homework. And also I gave the comma, yes, punctuation, comma also I give one homework, one Roman letter in page number 85, 3rd Roman letter. Okay, remaining thing you are just going to put comma. Okay students, the important homework, you want to learn grammar, all those things. So I am giving this much of grammar. Okay, and also you want to learn, so that I am giving learn and write the detail and antonyms. Okay students, I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you students.